In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your lost Snapchat streak. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Snapchat, click on your profiles icon, then go to settings, scroll down, and below the support tab, click on I need help, click on contact us. From here, select the option that says I lost my Snapchat streak. Now scroll down and here you will see a form that you need to fill out. The first two options, which are the username and email address, are already filled. So jump to the third option and enter your mobile number. Once you have done that, you need to mention your device name and make sure that it includes brand, model and model series. Then you need to enter your friend's username with whom you lost your Snapchat streak. So write down your friend's username. After that, mention the date on which you started facing the issue and then mention how long your streak was before it expired. For the second last option, which says did you see the time icon, all you have to do is to select no. Now in this final box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You need to write that I lost my Snapchat streak due to a bug in Snapchat. Although my friend and me were regularly exchanging snaps, but despite that, my Snapchat streak is lost, so help me recover it. So once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on this send option, and once you click on send, you will receive a response from Team Snapchat on your email address. And within the next 24 hours, your Snapchat streak will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.